Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth, and today we're going to be roasting a chicken with a new twist to it.
Right on the set.
So my first disclosure is that I probably know more about raising chickens than I do cooking them. I'm a farmer and I raise pastured poultry here in Lancaster. This means that I'm raising them out on grass for their whole life and then preparing them and selling them directly to customers. If you're interested in learning more about it, feel free to check out my website, myerhillchicken.com. And then my second disclosure is that this is sadly not one of my chickens. My batch from last year is completely sold out, so I had to start fresh with something from the store. My batch this year will be ready first week of June. So that's it for those disclosures, and we'll get started with the instructions. So tonight we're going to be spatchcocking a chicken. We'll spatchcock it, which means remove the spine, press it down flat, and then we're going to roast it, just like you would any other chicken. There's a couple reasons we do this. The first is that it increases the surface area, and this allows for more browning of the skin, so you get nice crispy skin on top. The second reason, it cooks a little bit more evenly. Instead of one part cooking faster than the other, things tend to cook more evenly. And the third reason is it cooks faster, and we all want to save time, so that's why we're doing it. So I have my about 5 or 6 pounds. Yeah, 5 or 6 pounder chicken here, and the spine is right here. This side is the breast, and what we're going for is the spine. So it's on the back right here. So you're going to need some scissors. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut about 3/4 of an inch off the center of the chicken. And this will get all the spine out. And I'm hoping these scissors are strong enough to cut. So this is the spine. You really want to keep this. You can make some nice stock out of it, save it for soup, make some bone broth, all that good stuff. So we'll set that aside. And now we're going to flip the chicken over. So the chicken is ready for the oven. It's at 425 and it will cook for about 45 minutes. How you can test if it's done, if you don't have a thermometer, is to cut between the leg and the thigh, and if the juices run clear and you don't see any pink, chicken's ready to go. So I may be biased, but I think it looks pretty good. Juices are running clear, the breast temperature is about 145, and the thigh is closer to 175. This is great. I'm going to let it sit for about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, absorb all the juices, finish cooking, and I'll carve it and serve it for dinner for the fam. So I hope you guys had fun watching this, maybe you learned something new. Give it a try at home and let me know how it goes. And like I said at the beginning, if you guys are looking for pastured chicken, feel free to check out myerhillchicken.com. Until next time, cheers. Do you want to come look at it, Joanna? Finley got in the shot earlier.
How did you get in the shot?
He was like, his head was up here.
Wow, that's really good.
Doesn't it look good?
It does look pretty good.
Yeah.